Microsoft is rolling out a new Xbox One update today that centers on better audio and visual support. The biggest addition is 1440p support for the Xbox One S and X, allowing gamers to use a monitor and make the most out of QHD 2560 by 1440 displays. It's a resolution that's usually popular with PC gamers. And Microsoft is also adding AMD's FreeSync support to allow compatible displays to sync refresh rates with Microsoft's consoles. FreeSync, like Nvidia's G-Sync, helps remove tearing or stuttering usually associated with gaming on monitors, as the feature syncs refresh rates to ensure games run smoothly. Alongside this stutter-free tech, Microsoft is also supporting automatic switching to a TV's game mode. Auto low latency mode, as Microsoft calls it, will be supported on new TVs, and will automatically switch a TV into game mode to take advantage of the latency reductions. The Xbox One will also support disabling game mode when you switch to another app like Netflix. Microsoft is also making some audio tweaks with the April update for the Xbox One. New system sounds take advantage of spatial sound to fully support surround sound systems when you navigate around. Gamers who listen to music while playing can also now balance game audio against background music right inside the Xbox Guide. Other features in this update include sharing game clips direct to Twitter, dark to light mode transitions based on sunrise, sunset, and improvements to Microsoft Edge to let you download or upload pictures, music, and videos. Microsoft is rolling out the Xbox One April update today. The software maker typically labels its Xbox One updates as spring or fall, and the name change aligns with Microsoft's Windows 10 April update that's expected to be made available soon.